Okay, so what is concept of health? Concept is a word which means an idea about that particular topic. So the concept of health means deep understanding of health. Okay, and the understanding of health by any person, by a lay person or by a medical person. So what is health? That abstract idea is known as concept, and this concept changed from time to time. Previously, in approximately we can say 1000 years back, the concept was different, and nowadays the concept is different. So how this concept changed from time to time, these are known as concepts of health. And in exam you find the question as such, that what are the concepts of health. Okay, so if the question comes, then definitely you can write that there are 4 types of concepts of health. Okay, what are those? These are biomedical concept, ecological concept, psychological concept, and holistic concept. Okay, and sometimes it is asked in exam, okay, explain them. Explain भी करना है. Then you have to write 5 or 6 lines about these concepts. Okay, so first of all we should understand what is biomedical concept. Okay, biomedical means related to the any biological object. Okay, and from this the concept of germ theory arised. Okay, so what is germ theory? In germ theory there was some pathological agent responsible for any disease. Okay, so this was the base of biomedical theory. Traditionally, the health has been viewed as an absence of disease. Okay, so previously it was understood what is health. If there is no disease, then there is health. Okay, in last class we have discussed at this point in detail that no, it is not health. Only absence of disease is not health. Then what is health? There should be physical, mental and social well-being, then it is health. But previously in biomedical concept it was said that only absence of disease is known as health. Okay, so this was the biomedical concept. If there is no disease, patient is not feeling any pain in the body, then the client say okay, the client is healthy. Okay, if the person is free from disease, then the person was considered healthy, and this concept was known as biomedical concept. This biomedical concept has the basis in the germ theory of disease. Okay, and what was the behind of this medical concept? Germ theory. And what is germ theory? Germ theory said that any disease is caused by a germ. Okay, and what is germ? Germ is a pathological agent. It may be virus, bacteria, fungus, anything. Okay, so according to this concept, there was a germ which is responsible for the disease. Okay, according to biomedical concept, the human body is a machine. As per this concept, human body is a machine, and whenever there is breakdown in the machine, it is known as disease. Okay, मशीन है, मशीन इज नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली, मशीन खराब हो गया तो क्या होगा, उस व्यक्ति को कहेंगे कि इसको बीमारी हो गई है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, द ह्यूमन बॉडी इज लाइक ए मशीन एंड द डिजीज इज लाइक ब्रेक डाउन इन द मशीन, एंड एवरी मशीन कैन बी रिपेयर्ड. According to this concept, machine can be repaired, and according to this theory, the human being can be cured from every disease. Because if a machine is not working properly, then the mechanic can repair the machine, and they thought that according to this theory, if the person is sick, then doctor can make him healthy. Okay, so but this concept is not true. Even sometimes the doctor cannot cure every disease. So it means this concept was not up to the mark. Okay, so this was the oldest concept of health. The criticism for this, later on a lot of criticism was there that this concept is not proper. So criticism that leveled against this biomedical concept is that it has minimized the role of environmental, social and psychological and cultural determinants of health. Okay, according to this concept, the disease is caused by only germ, but later on we understood that no, not only germ, environmental effects are there, mental effects, psychological effects are there on the health. So this concept, biomedical concept, didn't explain about these aspects of the health. So later on we decided not to pursue this biomedical concept. Latest some other other concepts of health arised. Okay, and this biomedical concept was also not able to explain some non-communicable disease and mental health, mental illness, etc. Because non-communicable disease and mental illness, they also does not require any germ, still they arises. So this concept was criticized. Okay, and some new concepts of health arised. Development in the medical and social science led to the conclusion that biomedical concept of health was inadequate. Okay, so this is all about biomedical concept, and you can write 4 or 5 or 6 lines in your language. Okay, or you can write the same lines about biomedical concept, that what is biomedical concept. So basically 2 or 3 lines which may include that what is biomedical concept, the basis of biomedical concept was in the germ theory, this you can write, and you can tell that in this concept the human body was considered as a machine. So this line you can write, and in last you can write that this development of medical science led to the conclusion that this biomedical concept was not adequate. Okay, and then some new concepts arised. In this way you can conclude your answer about biomedical concept. So what is the next concept? Later on, ecological concept of health arised. Okay, so second concept is ecological concept. What is the meaning of ecological concept? Ecological concept का आपने कुछ अर्थ जानते हैं? Ecology क्या होती है? Any idea? Yes, environment है ना? Environment. It means the effect of environment is very important for the person to be healthy or sick. ठीक है ना? कई बार environment का जो effect आएगा वो क्या होगा? It may have negative effect on the client, like the environment of Delhi presently. Okay, it is very polluted, air pollution, even sometimes water pollution we can see, and they have effect on our health negatively. Okay, and sometimes if the environment is clean, then our health, it will have positive effect on our health. Okay. Deficiencies in biomedical concept gave rise to the other concepts. The ecologist put forward an attractive hypothesis which viewed the health as a dynamic equilibrium between man and environment. Okay. So according to this concept, ecological concept, the health, what is health? According to this concept, it is equilibrium. What is the meaning of equilibrium? Equilibrium का मतलब क्या है? Adjustment. Equilibrium between, किसके बीच में है? Human body and environment. Okay, it is the equilibrium between human body and environment. It means it's the adjustment between us and the environment. If we are able to adjust, with the environment, then we will be healthy. And if we are not able to adjust, then we will be sick. The disease is maladjustment of the human organism to the environment. Health क्या है? It is the adjustment, and sickness क्या है? It is maladjustment, है ना, उसको हम disease कहेंगे. According to this concept, health implies a relative absence of pain or discomfort and continuous adaptation of the or adjustment to the environment to ensure optimal functioning. Okay, it is equilibrium or continuous adjustment. It is not a particular state. Okay, it is equilibrium. Equilibrium means it may go to this direction at this time, and in next hour it may go to this direction. It means whole day there is some changes from ill health to healthy. Okay, so it is movement, continuous movement, not a fixed condition. Okay, in sometime every second our health may change. Okay, so it is a equilibrium, continuous adjustment per day, per week, per month. Okay, so this is known as health according to ecological concept. Human ecological and cultural adaptation determine not only the occurrence of disease but also the availability of food and the population explosion. Okay, these environmental situations affects everyone. They affect human body as well as they also affect the fauna and flora of our environment. What food will be available to us, this also depends upon the environment. And ultimately it will affect our health. Okay. The ecological concept raises two issues. According to this concept, there is imperfect man in the imperfect environment. ठीक है ना? If environment is not perfect for us, then we will be imperfect. Means we will be sick. And if environment is perfect, then the person will be perfect. Okay. So this line you can write here. According to this theory, there are two facts that the perfect man in the perfect environment and imperfect man in the imperfect environment. This you can write here. History argues strongly that improvement in human adaptation to the natural environment can lead to longer life expectation and better quality of life even in the absence of modern health care delivery services. Okay. The person who are advocating this concept, they are saying that previously we had no modern facility for treatment, but still they lived longer than us because the environment was clean that time and there was better adaptation. That's why they lived longer. It means this concept is much better than previous concept. Okay. Then after development of psychosocial sciences, they said the previous concepts are okay. Biomedical concept was also right, ecological concept was also right, but there was some effect of our psychology as well as our sociology. So they told that a new concept should be there, and this concept is known as psychosocial concept. Okay. According to this theory, what is there? That a person is affected by his own thinking, how he is thinking, how he is behaving with the others, and how others are behaving with him. Okay. हम जो सोचते हैं, what we are thinking is our psychology, and what others are thinking with us, how others are behaving, that is known as sociology. Okay. So both psychology and sociology affects our health. Okay. If the behavior of our fellow person is good with us, then we will feel healthy. And if they are not behaving us, they are ignoring us, then we may feel ill. Okay, sickness हमारे आ जाएगी, है ना. तो ये भी काफ़ी फर्क पड़ता है. Not only these 2 points but psychological, cultural, even economical and political factors, they also affect our health. Okay, that's why they told that the latest concept of health should include psycho and social aspects, and this is known as the psycho and social concept. According to this concept, health is both biological and psychological phenomena. Okay, they also accepted the biological aspects, but they also included psychosocial phenomena with the concept of health. Then later on, some doctors or some scientists said that we should not think or we should not contain this concept of health in one direction only. We should accept all the concepts, starting from biomedical, then ecological, psychosocial, everything should come in the concept of health. Okay, so they accepted a new concept known as holistic concept. Okay, so this is the latest concept of health, which include all previous concepts. Okay, according to this holistic model, it recognizes the strength of social, economical, political, as well as environmental influence on health. Okay, they accepted that everything is important for the health. It has described as it is a unified or multi-dimensional process involving well-being of the whole person in context to his environment. Okay, they included the extract of every concept, biomedical concept, ecological concept, as well as psychosocial concept. Okay, and they gave this concept a new name known as holistic concept. Okay, this concept explains the view of ancients that the health implies the sound environment. Environment is also important for the health, and the latest factors that are the social factor, political factor, even other sectors like agriculture, animal husbandry, food, industry, education, housing, every sector have effect on the health. Okay, so this is known as holistic concept.